Welcome to the M45 Motorola Moto E6i, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So we should first open the box, and after that let's check. So we got here some paperwork like the quick start guide, the warranty card, and the safety guide. Also we got here the protective case, the silicone one. So let's just use it. Let's check another accessories. So also we got here the SIM jack tool, the charger, the adapter, original Motorola with all of the specifications, and also we got the micro USB cable. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.